everyone, this is Maria, and today I have an unboxing for you. And so I have been holding on to this teeny tiny turntable for several weeks now. And so I purchased this at Barnes & Noble, and I included it in one of my hauls a few weeks ago before Easter. And so I have been really anxious to open this, but I wanted to do this together, you guys. And so it's called Teeny Tiny Turntable. I purchased this at Barnes & Noble. Look at the packaging, you guys. It really drew my attention because it looks retro, and I love retro stuff, you guys, especially since I grew up in the 60s. I was born in 57, so you know what? I had teenage sisters, and they were always playing records, you guys. And then, of course, I became a teenager, and I was doing the same thing. And so, but anyways, let's go ahead and look at this. It says Deluxe Mega Kit, and let's see, there's the barcode there. On the back, there's a picture. On the back, there's a picture here, and it looks like there's some little records, and it says audiophiles and classic collectors can let those records spin with the teeny tiny turntable. This charming kit includes a miniature record player, 3 mini LPs, each with a printed sleeve and 30 seconds of music, printed stickers for customizing your LP, and a 32-page book full of fun facts about the best records of all time. And it says ages 7 and up. Visit us on the web at www.runningpress.com. And then on the bottom here, okay, it says Running Press, and it has their address, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. So I've got my scissors, just going to break the seal. Okay, and so yeah, I love miniatures, and so I've been really anxious for this day, you guys. Really excited. Okay, so let's go ahead and open this up. It's not going to fall out. I'm going to have to pull this out. Oh, wow. Okay. Oh my gosh, it's really cool so far. Okay, so let's set the box down over here. This is the booklet, the 32-page book. Oh my gosh, I love the book alone, you guys, because I love miniatures. And let's see, it says back to vinyl. I mean, when we were growing up, we didn't call it vinyl, you guys. I don't remember anyone calling records vinyl. Using your teeny tiny turntable. And let's see, our 10 favorite chart-topping record albums. Jimi Hendrix. Oh yeah, I love Jimi Hendrix. The Beatles, Abbey Road, of course. And then there's some fun facts in here. Rolling Stones, Pink Floyd, and Elton John. Love Elton John. And Bruce Springsteen, of course. And there's some more fun facts. Queen, absolutely. And David Bowie, Bob Marley's and the Wailers. Madonna. I was never really a Madonna fan, you guys. I mean, she was okay. That was more of my nieces that were into Madonna. I think she sang really well. I mean, I liked some of the songs, but I just was not a big fan. And so, but anyways, you guys, this is the book. Love it. And so what are these? These are the stickers that must go on the records. It says classic rock, rock on, groovy, funk, jazz, and smooth. I only remember one kid in the 7th grade, and that was about 1970, 71, and he would say groovy. He was the only person I remember that would say groovy. It just seems so funny to me. Okay, and then here are the sleeves for the records, for the albums. Jazz band, classic rock, 70s funk. Okay, so let's go ahead and open this up. I used to watch American Bandstand on Saturdays, and then I would also watch Soul Train. Oh my gosh, you guys. Oh my gosh, I'm talking and then I'm looking at this. Oh my gosh. I love this already. Look at this. Oh wow, wow, wow. Okay. Oh, look at this. This is so great, you guys. Look at the little arm. I remember buying needles for our for the little arm for the records at the record store. Sometimes we'd have to do that. Oh, here are the records right here. And then, oh my gosh, this is so cute, so cute. And then this right here, let's go ahead and pull that out. I recognize something like that. Wow. Okay, so let's go ahead and put the stickers on here, and let's go ahead and play these records. So you guys, when I was in high school, my mother would give me a quarter every day for my snack at school for the vending machines. and I would save that quarter. And then by the end of the week on Friday, I would have $1.25. And there was this little record store on the way home, and I would go in there and buy a 45 record. And I think it was something like 70 some cents plus a couple of pennies tax. And then they had this box with all of these other records. And believe it or not, I had enough to buy something else. And so I remember especially one of them was called Oh Johnny. And so there was a lot of Johnny records back in the 60s. Okay, so let's go ahead and put the stickers on, okay? And so let's go ahead and put classic rock. I mean, I don't even know if I'm putting them on the right ones, but we'll just go ahead and do this. Oh, there's like this little, okay, you guys, just notice this little tiny thing right here. See where you're gonna punch that out? So I don't know if we should do that ahead of time. Maybe not. I don't wanna do that ahead of time. We can do that when we put it on the record player. Okay. Kind of like when we do this. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so here are the instructions using your teeny tiny turntable. Your teeny tiny turntable kit consists of a mini record player and 3 mini records. Each record plays one song. Simply raise the hinge lid, place a record down on the platter, spin, and the music will play. When you're ready to hear a new song, switch out the record for a new one. I've gone ahead and put each one of the albums inside of these sleeves, these record sleeves. And then we're going to take our record player. We're going to open the lid. This is really cool looking, you guys. Really like this. And so we're going to take one of the record albums out of the sleeve, and we're going to put it right onto the platter. Make sure this is over to the side. And then we're going to spin it. And it's supposed to start playing. Oh my gosh, there it goes, you guys. There it goes. It's not spinning continuously though, but it is playing music. It's cute, you guys. It's really cute. And so the music plays for 30 seconds. Okay, that was cute, you guys. So let's go ahead and try a different one. So now let's take the jazz band and let's go ahead and put this, oops, I want to move that arm over. Oh, wow. That one didn't even give me a chance to spin it, you guys. So there it goes. That's cute. And so we're going to lift our arm over and let's go ahead and try the last one. The last one is 70s funk. It is cute, you guys, and it wasn't that much, only $12.95. And I like the way it looks. And so let's go ahead and place this one. Okay, and it says rock on. I don't recognize any of this music, you guys. I was hoping that it was going to play some of the oldies. This doesn't sound like 70s funk, you guys. That sounded more like jazz to me. But anyways, you guys, I think it's cute. And so let's go ahead and move the arm over. Be careful with the arm because it is very fragile. And so if a kid is playing with this, they could probably break that very easily. It would snap right off. So here's my honest review. I think this is really cute. It's not exactly what I was expecting, but for $12.95, I think I got my money's worth, you guys. It's just really cute, and it brings back a lot of nostalgia from when I was a kid. So that's my honest review of this teeny tiny turntable that I purchased at Barnes & Noble. Thanks for watching, everyone, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.